Hi friends, welcome to Diva's Nest. Hope you're all doing good. Today we are going to make a simple and tasty recipe, that is cabbage manchurian. And if you're watching our channel for the first time and if you like it, please don't forget to subscribe and share. So let's get started with the video. To make the cabbage manchurian, first we need to take the chopped cabbage. I have taken here 2 cups of cabbage, okay, finely chopped. Then I've taken around 1 cup of grated carrots. So if you want to avoid carrot, you can avoid carrot. It is totally optional. Into this I'm adding some masalas now, some spices. So first I'm adding some salt for taste, okay, that is around quarter teaspoon of salt. So you add according to your taste. So next I'm adding around 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder, okay, so that also gives a color and at the same time it is spicy. Of pepper powder, okay, if you want to increase the spice level you can always add more pepper powder, okay. So next into this I am adding around 2 tablespoons of corn flour. So not maida, corn flour. Okay. So first we'll add 2 tablespoons and then I am also on 2 tablespoons of maida. Okay. So if required, these are just to hold it together and to make it crispy. So we'll just mix everything together and then if required we can always add the maida more. Then 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste. So add all this together. Don't add water first. So since the cabbage and all will be already little moist. So now mix it well. Here I feel I need little more corn flour. So it will hold it nicely. Okay. Corn flour. So I'm adding another 2 tablespoon of corn flour. Now you can sprinkle little water and then keep mixing it well with your hands so that the cabbage and all the flour should be combined well. If required, you can add 1 or 2 tablespoons of corn flour more, but please ensure not to overdo it because when you fry, the manchurians will taste more of the flour and less of cabbage. It's ready now, so we can make small manchurian balls like this. So totally I have added around 5 tablespoons of corn flour and 2.5 tablespoons of maida. Okay, so the oil is hot. Now we can start putting the manchurian balls. We can keep adding the manchurian balls into the hot oil one by one. Please ensure that the flame is on medium, and also we can make almost similar size of manchurian balls so that it is evenly getting cooked, because if one is small and one is big it will be difficult. It's almost done now. We can take. There is no added colors or anything which we have added. If you want you can add the red color, otherwise you can add more Kashmiri chili powder. The cabbage manchurians which we fried are all ready. You can also call it cabbage pakoras. You can have it separately as a separate dish. It's a very yummy dish. Next we will make the sauces for the cabbage manchurian. Into a pan I have taken some oil. Once the oil is hot I am adding some chopped garlic, around 2 tablespoons of garlic, and this garlic needs to be sauteed till it turns around light brown in color. Okay, once, and keep the flame on high when you are making the sauce. Next I'm adding around 1 teaspoon of sliced ginger into it. It is totally optional, it gives a nice taste. Then 2 slit onions, 2 slit green chilies, and around 2 chopped big onions. So again the quantity of onions you can change according to your taste. Then give it a nice mix and then add some salt and allow it to cook for at least 2 to 3 minutes till it turns light golden brown. Then we can add the sauces. So here I am taking 3 sauce, that is, first is 1 tablespoon of green chili sauce, around 4 tablespoon of tomato sauce, and 1 tablespoon of soya sauce. So in addition to this, if you want to add any other sauce of your preference, you can definitely do that. And the measurement of these sauces also you can keep varying depending on your tastes. Okay, so then after you add all the sauces, then the flame should be high and you have to give it a nice mix and then allow it to cook for some time. Yeah, we have forgotten to add one main ingredient, that is the vinegar. So here I am adding 1 tablespoon of vinegar into it, And next we need to add around quarter cup of hot water into this, and then allow the sauce to cook for at least 2 to 3 minutes. So the sauce becomes very thick, and we please note we are not adding any additional corn flour into this mixture to make it thick. You can see the sauce is already thick without the corn flour mixture added. So now once the sauce is ready, next you can add the Manchurian balls which we have prepared earlier. So add the Manchurian balls, and then you can check for the taste also before adding. If any salt is required, you can add it, and then give it a nice mix and allow it to cook for 1 or 2 minutes. So you can see the sauce is well coated on the Manchurian already. It's very tasty and simple, and as you know, nothing artificial has been added into this. So hope you liked it. You can see we can garnish it with spring onions. Since I did not have it, I have garnished with coriander leaves. Hope you liked it. Please do share your feedback. Thank you so much for watching.